Lizzie, can you get me some warm up of my coffee? Can I have some more coffee?
There you go. That's the coffee.
Lizzie, can I have some more coffee?
Go pour some in Mama's cup.
Here, bring Mama some more coffee.
Sassy.
Thank you. Oh, here's a plate too. Thank you.
Well,
Then you do it the right way.
Are you cooking? What are you cooking, Lizzie?
Stir, 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 stir.
What are you cooking?
hot.
Hot. Be careful.
Is it
it's
hot?
Oh, be careful.
Bring.
Oh, somebody's calling on the phone. You better answer the phone.
Bring.
Pick up the phone.
Bring.
Hey, Lizzie, someone's calling.
Bring.
Say hello.
Bring.
Hold it to your ear. Whoopsie.
Bring. Guess this is gonna go to the machine.
Here. Let's put the spoon in here.
There.
Okay, now let's turn on the microwave.
No, Daddy.
Okay, close it. Ready?
Black carrot.
Meow.
No, whatever.
That's right. And here's how we start the oven. Look, go right here. And we open it up. Close.
Close the oven.
Good job.
Oven.
Open. Okay, we can put these back in. Let's put the skillet back in the oven. Okay, now let's close. We'll cook it.
No.
No? You don't want to cook?
No.
Okay. Or if you want to, you could go put it in the fridge. Here's the fridge. Look, over here. There's the fridge. You want to put it in the fridge? Okay, close the door to the fridge.
Stuff is cold in there, Lizzie. It's
careful.
cold.
You have to turn it a little bit. This is probably not the right size. There we go. Closed. There we go. Good job.
You putting the phone in the fridge? Putting the coffee pot in the fridge? Lizzie, can I have some more coffee? Can you bring Mama some more coffee? Thank you. You taking my coffee? Okay.
Here, I've got some bowls that we can cook in the oven. These are safe in the oven. Look at that.
Are those ovens
Perfect
safe,
size.
Daddy?
Look at that. They're perfect size. You know what Mama would really like is a margarita.
Ooh, can you make me a margarita, Lizzie? You'd be the best baby ever.
Mix her up a margarita. You want to get a little bit out of the fridge? There might be some in the fridge. Stir it up in there. Mix, 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 mix. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. Good job. Okay, I think it's just about done. You want to go give Mama her margarita?
Ooh, that would be super, Lizzie. Oh, thank you.
Good job.